What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Just taking the dual hub bike out for a ride. It's not going to be a very long ride because the sun is going down, buddy. I wanted to get out for a ride to test the front motor after I re-glued the magnets. I tested it a little bit already. It seems to be working pretty good after I re-glued the magnets. I also put some knobby tires on so I can't hear anything. I don't know if you guys can hear me either. I can hear something funny. I don't know what it is. We're going to McDonald's. I don't know if the noise is coming from the front or the back. I don't hear it now. It's a little bit cold. I got the Chinese heater gloves on. I gotta make sure the GoPro angle isn't even right here. That might have to be the beginning. That might have to be the beginning of the video because I don't even know if the GoPro is looking the right way. Look at the sky. It's a sailor's delight. Let's go, car. Going through red lights. Come on, go, buddy. Supposed to drive like a moron. I'm going to get my $1 fry. Here we are, McDonald's. Waiting for sustenance. You too. We got the goods. Alright guys, we're going back. It's getting dark out. This is gonna be a true test. of the GoPro in a low light situation. McDonald's certainly looks different since the last time I've been inside there. Oh. So I was hearing some noises on the way here. I think it was coming from the front. I don't think it's the magnets. Or at least it didn't sound like it. Oh. Gotta be careful not to get run over right here. That was a little crazy. I don't have my reflective vest on right now, and I don't have my bike light on either, so it's a little bit sketchy. Oh. Got a slow van back here. Going slow. Okay. Oh. Let's take the sidewalk so I don't get run over. Oh. I wonder if you guys can even see anything. I have a little bit of a issue where my front fender blocks my light, my bike light. I don't even think people can see it. Man, it gets dark fast. I bet the GoPro can't see anything. Oh, we have Christmas lights. Beautiful Christmas decor. Right over here. Let's ride around and see if there's any other Christmas decor. There's a tree all lit up. They got the little Santa dudes out front. There we go. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. There's a big streak in the sky. I don't know if you can see it. There's been a lot of that lately. I'm staying pretty warm so far. I got my Crocs on. My feet are a little bit cold. And I've only got one pair of sweatpants on. So my legs are getting a little bit chilly, but we're doing good everywhere else. I think I'm gonna head back. We'll give it one last final grip home, see if it makes any noises. We got some more lights going over here. We're just gonna go because a whole bunch of traffic coming. Alright, here we go. Let's see if the front hub makes any noises. Doesn't seem like it. Feels like it's working pretty good. Anytime you put some more grease in those hub motors, it usually feels pretty good. Alright guys, well that was a fun little ride to go get my $1 fry. This is the end of the line as far as the street lighting goes, so I'm sure the GoPro can see absolutely nothing down here. So make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, all that jazz. Do you use any bike lights? Let me know what bike light you use. So far, so good. Alright, well, good ride, dudes. 7 miles. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.